Welcome to today's lecture on embedded system design, design challenges, optimization of design metric. Contents of today's lecture: embedded system definition, examples of an embedded systems, embedded system architecture, characteristics of an embedded system, design challenge, optimizing design metrics, examples, summary and references. Embedded system definition. Embedded system. Embedded system can be defined as a computing device that does a specific focused job, or a system having specific hardware with specific software and perform a specific task is called as an embedded system. Examples of an embedded systems: personal digital assistant PDA, printer, cell phone, automobile, engine, brakes, dash, etc. Television, household appliances, PC, keyboard, scan keys. Autofocus cameras, disk drivers, electronics toys, game, medical testing systems, battery charger, cordless phones, digital camera, washing machines. Embedded system architecture. Embedded system consists of hardware, operating system and application software. Hardware architecture. Embedded system consists of sensors. These are the inputs, memory, processor, output devices. Broadly, it is having input-output devices, hardwired unit, application-specific logic, timers, A to D and D to A conversion. Characteristics of an embedded systems. Single function. It executes a single program repeatedly. Tightly constant. This system is low cost, low power, small in size and fast in operations. Reactive and real time. This is a system which continuously reacts to changes in the system's environment. It must compute certain result in real time without delay. Design metric computation. Design metric is having following parameters. Out of that, the first one is power, second is size, third is NRE cost and fourth is performance. Design challenge. For optimizing design metric, key design challenge is optimize various design metrics. Design metric, a measurable feature of an embedded systems implementation. Optimizing design metric is a key challenge. Design challenge for optimization. Common design metric. The first parameter is unit cost. Monetary cost of manufacturing each copy of the system excluding NRE cost. NRE cost, non-recurring engineering cost, one-time monitoring cost of the designing the system. Size, physical space required by the system is size. Performance, execution time or throughput of the system. Power, amount of power consumed by the system. Flexibility, ability to change the functionality of the system without incurring heavy NRE cost. Time to prototype. Time required to build a working version of the system. Time to market. Time required to develop a system to the point that it can be released and sold to the customers. Maintainability, ability to modify the system after its initial release, correctness, safety, and many more. Time to market is the key parameter for any embedded system product. Time required to develop a product to the time it would be sold to the customers. Market window. This is a window in which we are having market window which is starting from this point and ending with this point. So, period during which the product would have highest sale. Average time to market constant is about 8 months. Delay can be costly. Delayed market entry. This is a simplified revenue model in which product life is specified equal to 2 weeks. Peak of the sale is about a week, that is W. We are having two triangles. First triangle is on time entry triangle and second triangle is delayed entry triangle. Time of market entry defines a triangle representing market penetration. Triangle area equals the revenue. Loss. The difference between on time and delayed triangle areas are loss, and percentage revenue loss is equal to D into 3W minus D divided by 2W square into 100. NRE and unit cost matrix. Costs, unit cost, monetary cost of manufacturing each copy of the system excluding NRE cost, non-recurring engineering cost, one-time monetary cost of the designing the system. Total cost is equal to NRE cost plus unit cost into number of units. Per product cost is equal to total cost divided by number of units. NRE cost is equal to NRE cost divided by number of units plus unit cost is equal to per product cost. For example, if NRE cost is equal to $2,000 and unit cost is equal to $100, then for 10 units, total cost is equal to $2,000 plus 10 into $100 is equal to $3,000. Per product cost is equal to $2,000 divided by 10 plus $100 equal to $300. If three technologies are given, let the first technology is technology A having NRE cost $2,000 and unit cost is $100. Second technology is B having NRE cost $30,000 and unit cost is equal to $30. And third technology is technology C having NRE cost $1 lakh and unit cost is $2. Compare these technologies. This is technology A, this is technology B, and this is technology C. So these are number of volumes and this is total cost. So if number of volumes are kept same, that is 2400, and this is per total cost of the unit. This is technology A, this is technology B, and this is technology C. Compare these three technologies NRE cost wise and unit cost wise. Summary of the session. In this session, we have learned embedded system definition and examples, characteristics, architecture of an embedded system, design matrix optimization in an embedded system, and calculation of percentage revenue loss. These are the references. Thank you.